There's no real recipe, just vegetables, water, cauliflower, courgettes, carrots, leeks, bit of onion, fresh tomatoes, tinned tomatoes, garlic, onions, bay leaves, basil, thyme. We have our minced beef, onion, celery, carrots, garlic, bay leaf, thyme, tomato puree, red wine, bit of olive oil, and the secret ingredient, beef stock pot. Okay, so the first thing we do, and be generous, is olive oil in our pan. Just throw it in a pan and make some delicious soup. The vegetables have been cooking for about 15 minutes, just slowly. Now we add some water. Vegetable stock pot, I would think we'll put 3 in here. I may add a little bit more water. What I'm going to wait for is see how much water is released out of the vegetables before I commit. I'd say, and 3 stock pots, vegetable, in here. I may add a little bit more water. What I'm going to wait for is see how much water is released out of the vegetables before I commit. I'd say, and another stock pot. So that makes 1.5 litres of water and 4 vegetable stock pots at this moment in time. Must always taste. It's very important, because by tasting you know what's happening. I'll finish off with olive oil. It just gives it that Mediterranean, it's like a minestrone. 3 stock pots. What the stock pot does is it seasons the sauce. Secondly, what it does, it gives it some real oomph, which salt can't do. And there is our North stock pot vegetable soup. I don't think any fresh stock on the supermarket could deliver what stock pot delivers. Delicious, even though I say myself.